Hey everybody, it's Eric here with SpartanAutoworks.com. Today we're going to be talking about something we have a lot of people that love Duramax diesels. I personally despise any diesel. I'm already getting, this is a really clean computer, which is one of the cleanest computers you'll ever see from an E86 variant of these computers. Every one I see is always completely messy and trashed. This actually came out of a shuttle bus, which is probably why it's so clean. But like I said, I hate diesels. Absolutely despise diesels. I even hate my diesel tractor. But a lot of you guys love them. A lot of you guys have failure rate, especially with this generation of E86 computers. Now, there's a couple different variations of these E86 computers. Like I said on the back, it's going to say right here E86. Some of them will not. This computer will look identical to another variation that has no marking on it. The only difference is the chipset that's on the inside. That's what makes them different. Now, if you have a failing computer, whether it be stock or highly modified, the guys that have tunes, I've had people call me and want backup to a spare computer so they don't lose their tune or lose the original file so they can go back to stock. We can clone this. It's a one-to-one clone. We can clone your original to a replacement. Now, here's one sticking point. We only like to clone from matching part number to matching part number. Yes, there are some compatibility changes through the part numbers that multiple part numbers will fit each other. I get that. We don't do it that way. I go for matching part number or matching service number. Technically, it's a service number. Service number to service number. That's how we like to clone them. We get your computer. We get a replacement unit. I do stock some. I don't get a lot of these. Diesel computers are super expensive, and of course whenever I stock it, nobody wants to buy it, so I usually don't go out looking for them. But I do have some limited stock on some part numbers, so if you have one, you can call us or email us at spartanautoworks@gmail.com or give us a phone call at 636-795-6960. I can check our inventory, or I can help you locate a proper replacement computer so that you can send to us, and you'll send us your original, you'll send us the replacement, we'll clone it. We'll take your original, we'll read the data, whether it be a factory file or a tune file, we'll copy it right into the replacement, we send it back to you, and when you get it back, this thing's plug and play. So if you're interested in that service or need that service, give us a call, 636-795-6960. Again, the email is spartanautoworks@gmail.com. One other note, some of these computers, now this one here has made it to 2 other shops before it made it to me, before we got the customer resolved. We had to open the back side of this computer up and solder it to the board. So just know that most of the time we can read it through the connector, but sometimes we will have to open the computer and read it through the back side. So just be forewarned that you may have noticed that the cover was removed. Hopefully we don't have to do that. There's small cases that we do, but just know that some cases will require the back cover coming off the computer. So don't be shocked when you get back and see the cover was removed. But if you need this computer clone or this style computer clone, Duramax computer from 11, don't quote me. I know you'll let me know in the comments that I was wrong, but 11 through I believe 16 is what this computer fits. And if you need one, give us a call. Again, 636-795-6960. We'd love to help you keep your Duramax running on the road. Thanks. Have a great day.